Hi everyone, this is Mark from Kärcher, and I'm going to show you how to wash a car with Kärcher products. The products we're going to start using is the pressure washer, which we're going to be cleaning the exterior of the car. Then we're going to use the wet and dry vacuum cleaner to clean inside the car, as well as the spray extractor, followed by the steam cleaner. This car's filthy, let's have some fun. Always start with your wheels. We have 3 ways to tackle them, depending on how dirty they are. For regular maintenance, the first option is the touch-free method. Apply Kärcher rim cleaner to a dry wheel and let the chemistry do the work. Watch for the intelligent color change. When it turns dark purple, the active dirt dissolver has reacted with the iron and it's ready to rinse. The formula is pH neutral, making it tough on dust but safe for all wheel types. Just ensure you rinse it off before it dries completely. Connect your Vario Power spray lance to your pressure washer and twist to select the right pressure. Use a higher setting for durable alloys or dial it back for delicate custom rims. Now flush away the dissolved brake dust. The high pressure jets removes the grime instantly while using up to 80% less water than a garden hose. If you prefer not to use chemicals, the second option is to use one of Kärcher's wheel washing brushes. Its 360-degree water distribution continuously flushes dirt away from the bristles, ensuring you are scrubbing with clean water and not grinding grit back into your rims. And for the ultimate deep clean on neglected wheels, combine options 1 and 2, the rim cleaner and the brush. And now for the body. For the ultimate pre-clean to loosen coarse dirt, we recommend using a Kärcher snow cannon. This particular model has a massive 1 litre tank capacity, allowing you to foam the entire vehicle without stopping to refill. We've paired the cannon with Kärcher Ultra Foam detergent. This isn't just soap, it's an active dirt dissolver. The formula creates a thick, clinging foam that stays on the surface longer, actively lifting dirt and grime away, preventing swirl marks during your contact wash. If the car is particularly dirty, you can use a mitt to agitate stubborn grime, then follow with a second rinse. Now to rinse. Let's switch over to the Eco Booster. Its extra wide nozzle width means you can clean 50% faster than using a standard flat jet. It's the perfect tool for cars, and it's a lot of fun to use. The wider spray distributes pressure evenly, creating a gentler clean action that is safe for delicate surfaces and clear coats. This allows you to cover large areas like bonnets and doors instantly, achieving 50% higher water and energy efficiency while ensuring a thorough clean. Finish with a final rinse from the top down to clear the suds and reveal that showroom shine. Road dirt and mud accumulate where you can't see, deep inside the wheel arches and under the chassis. We recommend using the Kärcher VP180 Vario Power Jet. It features a 360-degree, infinitely adjustable joint that angles the spray for you, making it real easy to access those tight spaces. Simply angle the nozzle to flush out corrosive road grime from the underbody and suspension. Because the power is variable, you can dial back the pressure to safely clean delicate plastic wheel liners. Thanks to Kärcher's nozzle technology, you can get a uniform, superior clean even in those softer settings, ensuring you remove the dirt without risking damage. Finally, dry the paintwork immediately to prevent water spots. Look at that finish. You haven't just washed it, you've brought back the wow. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the interior with our Kärcher products. For the interior, leave your domestic stick vac inside. We recommend using the Kärcher Wet and Dry Vacuum. Start by adding on the car nozzle from the interior car care kit. This machine is engineered for heavy duty mess. Just look at that suction power, extracting grit from deep within the fibres for a showroom worthy result. And for the boot, the car nozzle makes the job faster. Its wide, flat shape is designed specifically to contour the floor mats and boot liners, covering large areas in seconds for a quick and easy clean. It's the ultimate protection for your car and home appliances. Next, attach the extra long crevice nozzle from the interior car cleaning kit. We are using the latest version here. It has been redesigned to be thinner and longer, giving you easier access to those hard to reach areas. It slides easily between the seats and the center console, spots that can be tough to reach with standard vacuums. It's also great for extracting small crumbs trapped in the seat creases, making sure no dirt is left behind. Now switch to the flexible crevice nozzle. Unlike standard tools, this is engineered from a soft, flexible material. It's perfect for this dead zone between the seat base and the car wall. Next, the suction brush set, also part of the interior car cleaning kit. The kit comes with a hard brush for deep cleaning upholstery and mats, as well as a soft bristle for delicate surfaces, which we're using here. The head swivels to adjust to the angle of your hand, so you always have contact with the surface. It's great for sweeping dust out of the air vents and around the gear stick. It loosens the dirt so the suction can remove it instantly. Or use a suction brush with hard bristles to vacuum upholstered and carpeted surfaces like car mats and seats. Vacuuming handles the dust, but for stains and odors, we recommend using a spray extractor. It works by injecting detergent deep into the fibers, dissolving grease and odors before extracting them. Watch the nozzle here. You can actually see the dirt being completely removed from deep within the fibers. Just look at all that dirt we managed to remove. Unlike a sponge and bucket, you are never rubbing dirty water back into the upholstery. A Kärcher spray extractor is great to use on your fabric seats and carpets to revitalize the fibers and restore that fresh, hygienic feel. Finally, for hard surfaces and hygiene, switch to the steam cleaner for the ultimate clean. You can see here how it's easily blasting away grime from the textured grain plastic. On the rug, it doesn't just clean. It lifts the fibers for a refreshed finish and at the same time kills 99.99% of the bacteria using just water, making it perfectly safe for pets and kids. All right guys, we've cleaned the car inside and out, quick and easy, and what an amazing result. If you want to learn more, please visit our website or your local Kärcher retailer.